That's called filming a thumbnail. Let's get into it.
Yeah. No, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look.
Kia ora guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Daniel and I hope that you fellas are having a good day, dressing well, and of course getting stuff done. As you see by the title and trying to film that thumbnail, we have a massive £700 clothing haul slash unboxing from Arket. Now, a little disclaimer for you guys, this video is not sponsored at all. However, Arket, and more importantly Jordan, shout out to you Jordan, actually reached out with me, and pretty much they just really were so like lovely and pretty much blessed me, saying look, they want Arket to be in my wardrobe a little bit more. And as you guys know, I already have a couple of pieces from Arket because I do really mess with their stuff, so they allowed me to go onto their website and pick out any 10 items that I wanted to. So I'm absolutely so grateful for that, and also to you guys for, you know, messing with this channel and stuff so things like this can happen, and I obviously can bring it to you. But yeah guys, they did not ask me to do a video or anything like that, but I thought, hey, it would be a great opportunity to show you guys what I got. On top of that, on some of the items I kind of like went outside of my comfort zone a little bit more, mainly because I wanted to try new things and it wasn't my money that I was spending. A little bit about Arket first, and the first thing that I think is super cool is that Arket in Swedish means sheet of paper. So if you guys are ever wondering what it means sheet of paper, because apparently when they were actually, you know, coming up with the brand, building the company, that was a very, very common phrase that they kept kind of like saying. So I guess that's how the idea of Arket came, and I think that's pretty cool, you know, languages. Cool. Pretty much the concept and kind of the backbone of Arket is creating long-lasting designs and garments that will be in your wardrobe for a very long time, so they'll be very durable. On top of that, they make it their mission to only work with like the top manufacturers worldwide as well, so they're always seeking, you know, the next best quality and things like that. But enough about the brand, let's get into this massive box and see what we got, eh? So starting with the first one on top, we have that nylon backpack. Now this one was actually inspired by a military jungle pack. What I'm super stoked about this is that if you guys remember, recently I did a top 5 backpacks. Again, you can click here if you haven't seen it already. One of my favorites was the North Face black backpack one I had, and my only downside to that backpack was that there was literally just one area to put all your stuff in. Where with this one, it is pretty much the exact same size. It's water resistant as well, which is perfect, but there are a few more kind of like cubby holes. There's a laptop holder, you do have a few zips on the front and even a zip on the top. This is pretty much going to replace my North Face backpack, and this is going to become kind of my everyday, you know, like gym wear, out and about backpack, because one, the size of it, and then two, literally just it's got a few more compartments, and that is really what I need. Definitely my style. And this one retailed for £115. Boom. First pickup. All right, coming into the second one, we have their cotton based overshirt, and I got this in their khaki colorway. Got it in a size 50, which is roughly that kind of like large is roughly where I think like 50 to 52-ish is in that large range. So I went true to size with it. You'll notice the main thing with Arket is it's still a very like kind of like Scandinavian vibe, very minimal vibe, kind of like your basic outfits. Like Arket is very similar to COS in the sense of like they're great places to go to just really have a staple wardrobe. Although I do find Arket's quality overall, I would say, is a little bit higher than COS, although I'm pretty sure they're kind of still owned by the same company. But I do find Arket's overall quality is a little bit higher, but then on the other side, COS itself do push the boundaries a little bit more. So this came in at £89. What's really cool about this one is that the design itself is based on a vintage style from like the US Marines, which is kind of cool. Again, I love this type of stuff. I love the colorway, again, earth tones, 100%. I love how it fits, true to size, everything like that. Definitely mess with this. Now, next up, I copped their worker trousers in the beige colorway, and I get mine in a 48 waist. These are a loose fit ones. Now, if you guys know, if you remember, I don't really buy pants online because it is just so risky for my waist measurements compared to my leg measurements. But again, because Arket was kind enough to gift this stuff to me, I took a bit more of a risk, and I'm kind of glad I did. These fit really good on me. I love just kind of like the loose, natural fit. They remind me a lot of Dickies. Really good, strong material, you know, just everyday wear. You team these up with, let's say, some like Reeboks, or what you'll see later in here is some other really cool shoes that you could team these up with perfectly. You know, just roll it up a little bit at the bottom. It's just a great kind of like everyday kind of like streetwear vibe. Up next, guys, we have their French Terry sweatshirt. I got this in a size large. It is that light gray with pretty much kind of like dark gray accents all throughout. Super comfortable, comes in at £35 as well. So again, very nice staple colorway. Already look at the colorways there. They're just so nice. You can wear them literally with anything, whether you're young, old. It's just like a timeless, like I could literally, obviously I can wear stuff from there. If you're younger than me, you can easily wear stuff from there, and you know, you could get your old man and stuff. Sounds like I'm selling it. Stuff from there as well. My point is that it's staples. Can't go wrong with good quality staples at all. And guys, something that's kind of like really recently hit me a bit more is that, like, I would go to stores, let's say like Topman or ASOS, and don't get me wrong, some of the items can be okay quality wise, but I started to realize after a few washes and stuff, like, yeah, you get it cheaper at first, but it really does not last you long. I'm really myself starting to, you know, bite the bullet a little bit more and just invest in more quality items. And that doesn't mean I'm talking about high-end designer stuff like, let's say, Acne Studio, Balenciaga, things like that. No, but I mean more stuff, for example, like Arket or COS, just a little bit higher up there where you definitely know the quality is there. So this jacket, I know, you know, I'll have for a long time, things like that. So you spend a little bit more, but I think still in the long term, the items will fit you better for a much longer time. You won't have to buy new items, and especially when they go in the wash, they will not get destroyed. Ramble done. Next up, we have their canvas hat, which comes in at £19. Again, summer is coming. This is in like a beige off-white colorway. I can already see it pretty much with like a nice overcoat, beige pants, you know, boom, just finishing it off on top. So how you put a hat on there? Looking good. Those colors are looking good. I'm happy with that. And then we come up to the first shirt. This is actually a slim fit shirt. I did though slightly size up. I got it in a 52, which is a large, but on the kind of like largest side of large. That makes any sense. It came in at, what was the retail price of this? £45. So this is definitely a bit more of a, you know, a smarter shirt. Hence why I did go for it and go for a slimmer fit. So this will be more if I am going to quite a formal event, or, you know, a very dressed up dinner, a wedding or something like that. I wouldn't really wear this casually. It's actually really good that I did get this from them, because I literally do not have any formal shirts at all. I don't think I literally have any formal shirts, especially not on the slimmer side. I generally do love how this actually does fit on me. I'm not fully used to it, but it definitely does send off a little bit more of a smarter vibe. Then we come on to another shirt by them. This is a lot more of a traditional kind of Oxford shirt. It is a regular fit, and again, I got it in a size 52, so on a large pretty much. Love the grey of this, like literally teaming this up with a white t-shirt or something like that underneath. Much more of a relaxed fit. I personally myself would not button this one up because I just like kind of the relaxed vibe it gives. What's really cool about this order that I did from Arket is that I wasn't going for anything oversized. Like I was wanting actually to get a bit more, not like fitting, but like regular fitting clothings, because I did start to notice a lot of my clothes were a bit kind of going on that oversized style, and I do still really like oversized, but I definitely needed some more just like straight cut, simple, minimal, timeless items, and that is definitely one of them. So next up, guys, is the piece that I really pushed kind of my boundaries a little bit more with, and that is this. Such a vibrant blue high density worker jacket. This retails for £150, and the main material used in this is polyester. This was inspired by a classic French worker jacket with a slight boxy fit to it. Now, you probably won't see the boxy fit on me because I actually had to size down because they didn't actually have a size large in it for me, but I really wanted to try this because I thought the blue was just crazy, and I'm still glad I got it. Like, I've never liked blue, and all of a sudden, like when I look around my wardrobe, like there's a lot more blue in it now, and I'm so glad I got it. So I did get it in a size 48, and it still fits me fine. It's just a little bit more on the slimmer side. So I think if I went to a true to size, you see a little bit more of that boxier fit to it. But like I said, it still fits me great. And to me, when I'm putting an outfit together, this would definitely be like the statement piece. Like everything else, I would just want to play down and let this be the main pop of color. Especially for myself, color is not something I typically go for, especially something this vibrant. Man, this is definitely gonna hold its own up here. Ooh, look at that blue. It was like earthy tones. Next up, we have their round aviators. Now these came in at £79. With summer vibes coming, you cannot go wrong with aviators. They're just black metal, very simple, can't go wrong. For my face shape, I feel round glasses do suit me better. They can really just be that final like cherry on top of any outfit. These are not gonna obviously, let's go there. Finally guys, the 10th item is a pair of New Balance shoes. What is really cool about Arket as well is they don't just stock Arket, you know, they do mess with, like, obviously they've got Nikes on their website, they've got New Balances, but what I absolutely love is that they still choose the shoes and silhouette of a shoe that suits that overall aesthetic, and I think that's very important. So the ones I picked up are the New Balance 997. I got them in the cream colorway. These do retail for £70, and New Balances, I absolutely love them. Dead comfortable, like they're so comfortable. The colorway on these are perfect. You can't go wrong with it. Like literally team these up with any pretty much item here and it'll just bang and go hard. Especially this is what I was talking about with the pants. They're so comfortable, you can wear them out all the time. As you see, I have been wearing them. Yes, this was not the first time I unboxed the box. Hell no. I've been wearing these quite a bit actually. The only thing I would say is they are hard to kind of keep clean, but other than that, absolutely love them. Do you think we could balance that? Boom. And there we have it guys, that is my £700 Arket clothing haul / unboxing. Once again, huge shout out to Arket, but more importantly Jordan for reaching out to me. But next time you're in London, definitely a coffee on me. And also if you guys do want to check out any of these pieces, I will link them all in the description box down below. Do let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite pickup, and if you guys already have some Arket stuff in your wardrobe, let me know in the comment section down below what you already own. Other than that guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, go watch another video. And if you want to keep up with me on the daily, you can do this by following my Instagram, which is at imdanielsimmons. So it is guys, I'll let you get back to doing you. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep dressing well, and I'll see you fellas next time. Peace.